My name is Ramis. I'm coming from Azerbaijan.
My name is Timka. I'm from the Netherlands.
I am a member of the Youth Social Rights Network.
I have participated in the first project that this campaign was forming.
The Inclusion Express campaign is a campaign that evaluates the idea of using social rights for the inclusion of young people.
Which countries are involved in the seminar?
Armenia, Georgia, Lithuania, Belgium, Kosovo, France, the Netherlands, Romania, Greece, Azerbaijan, Macedonia, Spain, Turkey, Italy.
Some participants who participated to the campaign since the beginning, some joined in the middle and some joined just in Strasbourg. So the first half of the first day was dedicated to make the participants have the same level of information.
We chose for the light in Budapest because that's where it all started. And after that, this symbolizes the campaign part of the project.
Then the branches were made in Romania, and every branch means a new trainer.
And the Strasbourg, the evaluation follow up the best practice and again human and social rights.
Throughout the whole week, we use non-formal education methods to encourage them to learn from each other.
But we need to...
Yeah, we need
or
one
maybe
like
do one.
On the morning of the second day, the participants were arranged to do a visit to a local NGO in Strasbourg.
It's a disadvantaged neighborhood. The only public services that you can find is the library and the prison.
They were willing to share their concrete campaign ideas and how it worked and their methods and tools and outcomes.
If we count in the whole day, about 100 people pass by and they do workshops, they do different things.
It's the refugees' own fault for not being included.
Ah, okay.
Clear now? Social inclusion is just an illusion.
Pour moi, c'est pas une illusion parce qu'à ce moment-là, qu'est-ce qu'on ferait tous ici? Là, ils travaillent par exemple sur une campagne Inclusion Express. Ils y croyaient pas vraiment à l'inclusion sociale. Enfin, on serait pas là.
The last time the social inclusion it was our problem, but now it is our challenge.
The second part of the second day was dedicated to the journey to Brussels.
We are having dinner at the train station because our train was cancelled, but it's no problem because then we will go now to Luxembourg. We have never been there, so we will spend the night at Luxembourg and tomorrow morning we will go to Brussels. So, well, we will see two cities for free.